Hello kids, yes, this is Shipra again with my nice DIY activity which you can see is a very simple frog. Yes, this is a circular frog which we are going to learn how to make it. But before that, you all know, yes kids, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. I, Shipra, welcome you on behalf of Yellow Class on this nice DIY activity, which is just this simple circular frog, which I'm just going to tell you how we are going to make it. For this, we will be using our oil pastels, which are any green color is okay with us, and a black color. Okay, so any green color or a black color is good, and a sheet. So a thin sheet is also okay, kids, or a thick sheet is also fine. So I've taken a half of my A4 sheet, and what I have done, I am holding a green color crayon and I will just go round and round. So just go round and round like this. Simple round and round we'll go. Okay. And then we'll go little oval for the legs. So for the legs, we'll go little oval. Again, this way, we'll go oval. And here also we'll go little oval. Now for the eyes, we'll go circular like this. So we'll give the final touchings here. And with a black color crayon, we'll just put a small dot in the eyes. And our Mr. Frog, our circular Mr. Frog is ready. So it's quite simple. We have just done the circular thing, then the oval, and then the circles for the eyes. And then we have made the face. So I hope this is quite easy. You can easily make it. This is just simple circular frog, which is quite easy to make. And even in your school homeworks and where you need to make a frog or a simple painting, you can easily use that. So I hope the instructions were clear, kids. Do share the pictures with us. We are looking forward to see those pictures. Thank you for watching this video. It's time to say bye. Take care.